Good morning, 14th of March. I hope you all enjoyed Haggie's vlog yesterday. He had quite a stressful day, but I think the vlog would have went very well. Jake came and picked his R36 Passat. Really happy, really nice guy. And Haggie is back on the camera today, guys. He's going to update on the SVR, update on the SVJ. He's going to do a little update on a 33 GTR that we've got in. He is also going to be doing some other bits and bobs. And we do have Stuart and Ashton coming today to pick their 1100 horsepower R35 GTR after some winter upgrades. So for now, I'll give you over to Haggie. So Haggie is busy, so the JV has took over. Bit of vlogging, so Dan, Kyle's fitted the exhaust, decats, the valve controller. It's looking pretty good. What a nice machine that is. We're doing the thumbnail. Kyle, so that looks like another thumbs up.
Yep, fine, mate.
So happy with this one?
Certainly.
So now we're waiting to fit the rest of the exhaust, not the exhaust, the covers on.
Yep, rear bumper.
And the ECU, and she's ready to test?
Yep, certainly. Should be exciting. That's
2 down. Who's next? Get in touch. Right guys, I'm in the workshop. Stuart's come to pick up his GTR. Stuart's got a white R35 GTR running around 1100 horsepower. Is that right?
Is it not? Is it 1220 something on ethanol?
There you go, 1227. He knows more than me. So 1200 horsepower on ethanol.
1006 wheel, I think. On ethanol, but on pump it's like 900 and something on pump or something.
Good. So Ashton here, 13 years old, loves his cars.
I love cars, yeah.
And we are going to take you out in your dad's car.
Yes.
Are you looking forward to that?
Yeah, really good. Because I haven't felt any kind of proper acceleration in however many years. So.
Yeah, and he also does a lot of go-karting as well. So.
Not anymore.
Oh, you don't?
No. And getting into my kind of track racing and stuff now. So next year I'm going to do the Fiesta Championship on next year. So that's good. That'll be good.
So keep an eye out for Ashton.
Yes.
So Ashton, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you hold the camera in the car. Chris is going to take you out. And literally you've got to hold the camera like that. And just enjoy it.
Okay.
So it'll probably be about an hour or so because your dad's put some new drag wheels that we just got to test fit first.
Yeah, fine.
Once they're test fitted, you can go out.
Sounds good.
And you can do the review.
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to you?
Yeah.
Right, let's go.
So Ashton, what do you think of the wheels on the car now? Look at them there.
Really, really nice. I hope they should give me some grip, especially on Santa Pod when they go on a prep surface.
110%, yeah.
So,
yeah. And if you need a quote on these wheels, drop me an email as well, so I'll get you a good deal on them. But look at that, wow.
Right guys, so I'm sat in Stuart Wiggins' car, joined by the one and only Ashton.
Hello, yes,
Ashton, you were telling me earlier on you're 13-year-old?
Yes.
Stuart's son?
Yep.
Big petrol head, big GM fan.
Yes.
Used to race go-karts and things like that, so he knows his stuff about cars.
Yes.
And he's asked if we'll take him for a little drive in the car before his dad gets it, so he can experience the power. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass the camera to Ashton.
Yeah.
We'll see if he's got the skills to hold the camera steady whilst doing a little pull later on, and we'll try and get his reaction, alright? So, stay tuned, we're going to go out and head to Mexico, and we'll see you soon. Go now?
Yeah, we're going to go for a pull.
So, third gear.
Third gear.
Cal 4, to a lower gear.
Oh my god. That was gee. The back went then, you see it? Right, we're about to...
Alright, so
we're in Mexico.
Yeah, in Mexico. That was Cal 4, this car does have Cal 5, I'm not going to use it today, but it does have more power to give, that's what I meant before. So let's just do another little pull here. Road's nice and clear, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Up to 70, alright?
Yeah, only to 70, yeah. And that was the speed limit.
Yeah, nice and quick. So back to JM, Ashton, what did you think?
Impressive. I haven't really felt a pull that, we've only done a few, so that was really, really impressive, and it hooked well.
Yeah, it's 5 degrees about that outside. The roads are quite salty because it's been very icy lately and snowy.
So,
it got to 70 mile an hour really quick, didn't it?
Yes, maybe 71,
Yeah. touch.
Just touch, yeah.
Yeah, but no, really impressive car, Stuart. You know, it is a great car. It does do great numbers.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a secret, but Stuart's bought some nice drag wheels and things like that.
It isn't a secret, no.
So yeah, so hopefully, you know, this summer, once the weather gets a bit better, we're going to get some, you know, some seriously good times out of it.
Yeah.
So yeah, stay tuned. I'm sure Ashton will be there to sort of document it on the way as well.
Yes.
All right. So thanks for coming down, Ashton.
Yeah, no,
We'll
thanks.
see you in the summer. Hopefully at some events. And
Yeah, hopefully don't see us again.
Let's see what the car does.
Yeah.
Awesome. See you then, mate. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Let's get a bit closer. Okay, one more. There you are.
Right guys, I'm going to wrap the vlog up for Tuesday. Haggy's been extremely busy. He's been trying to get some footage, so he's away to get some parts now. I don't think he's going to be back in time. I don't want to also do a long vlog for a daily, if that makes sense. So for now, see you tomorrow. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you like the videos we're doing. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, share, comment, good, bad. Okay.